Need to replace your filter cartridge? Mr. Poolman has the largest range of Australia's favourite filter cartridge elements in stock and ready to go. Finding what size you need is a breeze with our easy-to-use size calculator on our website. Get stuck? No problem, mate. Our friendly customer service team is ready to help via phone, email, or live chat on our website all the way through Monday to Friday. Why spend your hard-earned cash with us, you ask? Well, buying from Mr. Poolman means you enjoy not only bulk savings on most products when you purchase 2 or more, but free and fast shipping options Australia-wide, buy now, pay later financing options, 60-day easy returns, lifetime pool expert customer support, and an easy-to-use website, You Beauty. 190,000 plus happy customers can't be wrong, and with over 25 years of experience in the pool industry, you can know that Mr. Poolman is a brand that you can trust. So sit back, relax, crack a beer, and enjoy your filter cartridge or any other pool supplies you need for that matter being delivered to your door. My name is Natalie from Mr. Poolman. Dive in.